Lal Bahadur Shastri's life began in deep poverty. Born in 1904 in Mughalsarai, he lost his father at just 1 year old. His mother raised him and his siblings alone, often struggling even for food. But hardship never broke his spirit. Shastri walked miles to school every day because he couldn't afford transport, yet he always topped his class with quiet determination. As he grew, the call for freedom grew louder too. At 16, he joined Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. He threw away his government education, accepted jail time fearlessly, and earned the title Shastri after graduating from Kashi Vidyapeeth, something he achieved only after years of struggle. Shastri's political life was built on honesty so strong that it almost sounds unreal today. As Transport Minister in UP, he introduced women conductors for the first time. As Home Minister, he reorganized the police forces and insisted that no officer should touch a citizen without absolute necessity. His personal life also reflected the same values. He refused government perks, traveled in second-class trains as a minister, and took loans with interest to buy even a small car. In 1964, after Nehru's death, India needed a calm leader in a turbulent time. Shastri stepped in as Prime Minister, simple, silent, and unknown to many. But this soft-spoken man soon proved he carried steel inside him. When Pakistan attacked in 1965, Shastri didn't hesitate. His message was sharp: force will be met with force. Under his leadership, India fought back strongly, and the nation rallied behind him with the iconic slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. But while the war ended with India standing tall, a darker chapter followed. In January 1966, in Tashkent, after signing the peace agreement, Shastri died suddenly under mysterious circumstances. His body showed unusual marks, and to this day, no clear explanation has been given. India lost a leader who lived for honesty, died unexpectedly, and was never given the recognition he truly deserved. Shastri's legacy is simple: a leader who ate little, spoke little, and owned little, but gave everything. His life teaches that greatness doesn't always shout, sometimes it whispers with integrity, duty, and courage. Lal